Hi guys, today you'll be looking at a tutorial for using unless and an adverb clause of condition. Now, unless is an adverb of condition and it means if not. This means that when you use unless, the condition or the situation matters in order for a specific result to happen. So, in this sentence, if you don't go to bed early, you'll be tired tomorrow morning. That means this condition has to happen in order for this result to happen. So, all you need to do is remember that unless means if not. So here we have if. Here in the contraction we have our not. So don't means they're not. And all you need to do is add unless. Don't need if. Don't need don't anymore because unless means if not. So unless you go to bed early, comma, you'll be tired tomorrow morning. That means if you don't go to bed early tomorrow morning, if you don't go to bed early, you'll be tired tomorrow morning. So, pretty easy. Here's another example. You won't pass if you don't study. Now notice that our if clause or our adverb clause is now at the end. So that is where we want to replace if with unless. So we keep this part the same because this is our main clause. So this would be you won't pass unless you don't need don't unless you study. You won't pass unless you study. Same meaning as you won't pass if you don't study. Okay, let's try another one. Sally can't go to the beach if she doesn't have a car. So Sally can't go to the beach is our main clause. We're not going to change anything there. And if she doesn't have a car, notice here we have if, that's our adverb clause. So this is where we're going to change with unless. So we will keep this part the same over here. So that would be Sally can't go to the beach. We don't need if anymore. We need to replace if with unless. Unless, we need a subject, so unless she. Notice here doesn't means does not. We don't need not because we have unless. So then you have the verb have. Now because we're talking about she, we have to change our verb to the third person singular. So that would be has. And we bring the rest of our sentence down. Stays the same. So Sally can't go to the beach unless she has a car. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try this sentence. Pause the video and then you'll see the answer. If you don't bring an umbrella, you'll get wet. Okay, so if you don't bring an umbrella is our adverb clause because it started with if. This means you'll get wet is our main clause. And the correct answer should be unless you bring an umbrella, you'll get wet. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you need to review, please go back and watch again. Thank you for watching. Click like and share if you found this useful.